Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Nirvani and today we will be doing this chapter called as computation of total income. We want to do question number 11 today. Mrs. Sumiti Irani. Sharma. 2011, 2010, 2011, 2011, 2012. Income from salary. Let's see this. Salary from KS College. So your basic salary 4,000 rupees per month. So
4,80,000.
48,000.
So it's 4,000 per month in the
48,000. Right. Professional tax deducted from salary. Now since it is deducted, that means this is your net salary, not basic salary. This becomes your net salary. That is 48,000. We'll add professional tax. 50 rupees per month. 600. Right? That is going to be 48,600. Next, let's move on ahead. Family pension from government of Uttar Pradesh, where her late husband was serving 6,000. Right? That's it. Nothing else. That's it. So this becomes your net. This becomes your gross taxable salary. Gross taxable salary is going to be 48,600 less deductions under section 16A, professional tax. B, entertainment allowance. nil 600. So your net taxable salary is 48,000. Next, income from salary is done. Let's start income from other sources. Income from other sources. Right? Family pension from government of Uttar Pradesh, where her late husband was serving. Right? Let's see this family pension. She's got a family pension of 6,000 rupees. Fine. Now, what is the rule for exempt? The rule for exempt is 1/3 or 15,000, whichever is less. In the case of family pension, 1/3. I'll write it this way. Exempt is 1/3 or 15,000, whichever is less. Right? So if I take 1/3 of 6,000, that comes to 2,000. So I have to compare 2,000 with 15,000. 2,000 is less, so my exempt will be 2,000. So 4,000 becomes this. Right? Next, they've given you that she has written a book on zoology for which she gets a royalty. She gets a royalty of 4,000 from the publisher. She spent 1,500 on typing and stationery. Less expenses, she spent not 1,500, 500. So that's 3,500. Next, let's move on ahead. Remuneration for acting as an examiner in university examination. Examinership fees from university she's getting is 1,500. Next, interest on post office saving. post office saving is 1000 less fully exempt. Post office savings are fully exempt. 1000. This becomes nil. Next, PPF. Interest on PPF, Public Provident Fund, is 2400 less fully exempt 2400 nil. Next, fixed deposit with Corporation Bank, net of tax deducted at source 1 at the rate of 10%. FD with bank. Right? Now, they've given you 10,350 and TDS. Now let's see how do I get the TDS. Guys, can you please see this working note? Working note 1. Gross net. They said that tax deducted at source is 10%. So if I was getting an income of gross income of 100 rupees, they are deducting a tax of 10%. My net income would become 90 rupees. If I'm getting a net income of 10,350, what should my gross income be? Someone please help me calculate. Gross income will be 10,350 into 100 divided by 90. Someone please calculate this. 11,500. Right? In that case, less the net income will give you how much tax was deducted. Someone please subtract and tell me how much is the tax deducted. 1150. So add TDS 1150. So that will give you 11,500. Right? Next, interest on NSC. Interest on NSC. Interest on NSC is 1200. Next, interest on fixed deposit. Interest on fixed deposit is 1000. Right? So this will give you your net income from other sources. Someone please add all this and tell me how much is this? Net income from other sources. $22,700. Next, this will give you your gross taxable income. Add this. Someone please add
7,700. 7,700.
Right. Next, less deductions under chapter 6A. Under deduction under chapter 6A, he is physically handicapped to the extent of 65%, so that's 80U. Handicapped 50,000. Besides that, you have 80C, interest on NSC. Interest on NSC he had got as 1200. Is there anything else he has done?
50,000. The handicap value is 50,000.
50,000. That's it. So this is 51,200. So you will get net taxable income 19,500. Right? This finishing the sum. We'll stop here for the day. Thank you very much.